Assalamualaikum viewers and to our subscribers. Hi guys. So hari ni 20 Januari 2024. Hari ni baru dapat keluar untuk ambil video. So minta maaf kerana tidak dapat buat rakaman video sebelumnya sebab pada malam tahun baru lagi setengah jam nak sambut tahun baru, saya telah terjatuh dan cedera dan tidak dapat berjalan hampir 2 minggu. Jadi hari ini baru boleh keluar. Masih ada lagi kesakitan. And so just to tell you guys that I'm sorry that we couldn't upload our new videos for New Year or from the January until now because I was injured on the New Year Eve. About another half an hour to New Year, I had a fall and I injured my foot. So I was unable to move around. So this is our first video for 2024. I hope you guys like it. We are now at Jalan Pulau Banting Yan. Background, our view is Gunung Jerai. Di belakang kita adalah Gunung Jerai, tapi today weather tak apa nak clear, so we cannot see this Gunung Jerai so clearly. And we are somewhere near the Bendang, the sawah padi, the rice field. There is a warung, there is some sort like it's not a hawker food, but like kampung food. So later we will show you what do they have here. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. I love Kedah, but unfortunately the heart is broken. We need to repair. Broken heart. Now I love Yan. Yan is one of the districts here in Kedah. It has a bigger heart. No more broken. The heart has been mended. You want to say something? Okay, Papa, go to you.
No.
Or I go to you.
No.
No, okay. There's a big heart there. I can go through the heart. I can penetrate the heart and jump to the paddy field. Also, yes, we got a bigger heart here because you say, I love you. Love you? You don't like it.
Don't.
Where's the Gunung Jerai? Is it clear? You think we should climb the Gunung Jerai? You want to climb the Gunung Jerai? Or we go with the car? Okay. Oh, the spoon is wet. We have tissue. I order laksa and bihun soup for Zachary. Oh, you have to get tissue. Ini tak ada gula kosong kan?
Kosong
Ha, dia tadi kosong.
Kosong
Ha, tu ada gula. Kosong. Now we got our food for lunch, late lunch. Limau ais, orange, teh tarik, and the nasi ayam is plus. Can you finish that? I have laksa. Zachary have bihun soup daging. Table number 7. Okay. dah selesai, sudah makan. We have done with our food. Now we're going to Penang. We have to take the Penang Bridge. Kita pergi Penang pula, naik jambatan Pulau Pinang. This is nice color. This flower is beautiful. Oh, Zachary, sudah kenyang? Full? Are you full? Yeah, you did not eat all your bihun soup. Okay. So after this, where are we going? Go to where? To the Gunung Jerai. To the mountain.
The same thing for my birthday.
Oh, okay. Jom. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy this video. This Warung Tepi Bendang Wateb. Our one of the tourist attraction for the locals or even for the foreign tourists. If they get to know this, I'm sure the foreign tourists will like it. One of the eating place to attract the local tourists in the district of Yan. Yan have got a lot of things to offer, okay, because they have the ocean nearby, the coastal, and also the Gunung Jerai. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. So we hope to get more subscribers this year. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Where?
Over there.
This one?
Yes.
They do fishing.
No, not this fishing rod. This one. In the river. It looks like teacher or something.
Okay. Look the burung. Burung apa? Burung apa lagi? Burung murai. Inilah iklan burung murai. So cantik, comel, black and white, burung murai. Ni couple lah. Pasangan jantan betina ke?
It looks like a penguin.
Tak pasti.
It looks like penguin.
It looks like a penguin color, yeah, black and white like penguin. Burung murai, and they have. Ayam serama. Macam yang kamu biasa.
Alamak, lebih kecil lah.
Oh. This is ekor ayam serama.
Ayam.
Ada ayam, a small ayam.
It's a hen.
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 Hen. Ni jantan.
Mana jantan?
Hai Bebe, Assalamualaikum. Oh, Assalamualaikum. Apa khabar? Bebe. Good boy. Boy or girl?
He knows his name.
Oh, down here asleep.
He knows his name.
Assalamualaikum. Mati duduk, mati duduk.
Lagi tak tahan panas.
They breed the tilapia fish. I think baby ikut anak lagi kan?
Banyak ni. Lebih tewa yang bayar. Itu pun siap ni. Okey dengan rumah ni.